I'm not going to lie, the crypto market doesn't look very good. But there are two hopes that could change this around. So today's 24th of February. And if we look at Bitcoin, it's still very struggling. This battle between the bulls and the bears is ramping up. And it's just ranging in a very difficult manner. This, unfortunately, causes very, very bad price action on all alt. We really need Bitcoin and the bulls to really start ramping up and get us above this 99,500. It's extremely important because the longer that we stay in this band here, the more fatigue will come into the market and the further this will push back down. Now, most of this fatigue is actually coming from this Bybit exchange hack, but I got a feeling that's going to be turning very soon. So there could be some positive upside on this very soon. Let's see where it happens. Now, the one area of worry that's causing me the biggest amount of effect is the SPX. The S&P 500 has had a major pullback. That is now below the previous low, which is not great. This needs to reverse very, very quickly. And it needs to reverse below this level, before this level. If it gets below this and then consolidates around here, there's going to be a lot of pain in the markets. The main reason for this is that the PCE report is coming in on Friday. There is hope that it's going to be lower than expected, but that worry and stress is still there. Further unsettling news is that the USDT dominance is breaking out of that upward trend and testing this midweek level. We'll see if this thing starts to get over and consolidate above here and hold above these levels, then we're going to see a lot of pain in the alt market and in fact in crypto in general. Watch this very carefully because that is slightly worrying. We look at the total market cap, and as I said in the previous video, it's struggling, really testing this support line, this band that it's going through, and it looks like it's slightly broken under. Now, this could very well come and test this 2.98 trillion market level. It's going to be very precarious when it gets there because it's going to show that the market is really, really unsure. We look at others, which is basically the crypto market minus the top 10 coins, and it's breaking down. I think what I stated before, it's going to try and retest this level here. Maybe, if possible, maybe it could come down and test this level, and from there we could see a possible acceleration as we see there. But this could take about a month to get back down to that level. One level of hopium is that the gold has had an insane run, but these wick and candlestick formations is giving me the understanding of a rollover, a deviation from the upward trajectory. This pullback down, possibly down to this area, the 2,800 area, will cause a very nice bump in Bitcoin, because when gold goes down the area of store of value, that means that Bitcoin is the area that they look for as a way of protecting their money. So watch this carefully. This is going to be extremely important. A further interesting area that I would also have a look at is that DXY is also further continuation down, although that wick there doesn't look great. What we need is the gold to fall down and also the DXY to pull down. What could be a certain issue here, and what this could be stating, is that the moment that gold starts to deviate back down, this could start to deviate back up. We need that not to happen. That would be the worst case scenario for crypto. We look at Solana, our favorite coin that is having a bit of trouble at the moment, and it's testing the 157 area. That area was a key level of support. That area there must hold. If it doesn't, this looks like it's going to go down and retest this 127 area. And to be honest, it might actually deviate down to, or wick down to, this $100 level and then go back up from there. But at this present moment, it looks like this thing is going down, this break of trend, and it broken 2 levels of support. Now, in conclusion, this is really, really important. Today and this week is going to be very, very key. The PCE report is coming out on Friday, and it's expecting to be lower than stated. That should give a nice little bump over the weekend, but people are really, really unsure about the market at this present moment. There is fear, there's uncertainty, and the fact that the S&P 500 is pulling back is also another worry. There are factors out there that are causing uncertainty, and there is fatigue in the market, and the draw of liquidity because of these large meme coins that people invested into and then rugged is causing a bit of a downturn. Now, what I will say is that the fact that the dollar is falling down and the gold is deviating down should cause a bit of a bump in Bitcoin, but those things need to happen before it happens, and the bulls really need to gain and hold above the 99,500 for this to really start moving up, or we could see another liquidation event and then a push up. The levels have been given, the statements are there. I'm Alvarez, a 7-figure crypto investor, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.